Hello and welcome back to another video by yours truly. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this very nice clasp that I found on AliExpress. It is a very nice upgrade for your affordable watches. Affordable watches tend to have pressed clasps, so we have a pressed upper portion right here as well as a pressed lower portion. In the terms of this Orient Kamasu or the Seiko 5, they all came with a clasp like this. I mean, there's no problem, functionally they're all the same, but it's just that this press clasp feels a little bit more cheap compared to more premium watch. For example, for the Hamilton Khaki, that comes with a milled clasp as well as a milled upper portion. So milled upper as well as milled lower feels a lot more premium. It is made from a single chunk of metal that they carved into, whereas for these ones, it is a sheet of metal that they stamped into. Functionally, they're the same. It's just that this feels a lot more cheaper than this one. In between these two, oftentimes, let's say with these Long Island watch bracelet or a lot of bracelets from AliExpress, they're going to give you the milled lower part, but they will still give you the pressed upper part. So this part that touches your skin feels more premium, but the part that everybody sees looks the same as the cheaper clasp right here with the pressed upper and the pressed lower. So if you want to upgrade, all right, let's say if you have this bracelet right here, or if you have this bracelet right here, to a fully milled upper and lower clasp, I'm going to be putting the link to this clasp down in the description section below. This is a 16 millimeter. It has 5 positions of micro adjust, more than enough for anybody. And for the 18 millimeter right here, it has 6 positions of micro adjust. That's just like an amazing amount of micro adjust. Even premium watches like the Hamilton right here only has 2 positions of micro adjust. So this clasp is effectively much better than this one. Very nice, of course. Like I said it before, milled lower as well as a milled upper. Brush surface on top with a polished surface on the side just adds a very premium feeling to an otherwise fairly affordable watch right here. This is on an Orient Kamasu with the Long Island Watch Jubilee bracelet. I've swapped this clasp for this clasp, and it just makes this watch right here, which is a more affordable watch, feel like a more premium watch because of this clasp right here. We have a solid links as well as a fully solid clasp. If you want to do this modification, make sure that both ends of the bracelet are attached with spring bars. So this end is attached with a spring bar right here. If the camera can just focus, as you can see, it's a spring bar right here, as well as a spring bar right here at the micro adjust. Just like this one right here, spring bar right here, and another spring bar at the micro adjustment. Make sure it's not one of these where only one end of the bracelet is attached with a spring bar. For example, with this Hamilton, this end is attached with a spring bar, but this other end, the clasp is integrated with the bracelet itself. So there's no way I can swap this clasp out because I don't have this end right. Well, come on, camera focus. If I don't have this end right here with the spring bar on this end, so I cannot upgrade this clasp to this one, for example, if I wanted to have the extra micro adjustment. So very short and sweet video. I apologize for my voice. I am coming off a cold, so I have a very deep and raspy voice, as you can hear. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be putting the link down in the description section below for this clasp right here. It exists in many sizes. Here on the 18 millimeter, like I said, 6 positions of micro adjust. You get a lot of micro adjust, like 5 on the 16 millimeter. Just make sure you measure the tip right here, the last link, to make sure you buy the size that you need. If you're interested in these bracelets, these are not the OEM bracelets. They are all from longislandwatch.com. So the Oyster one for the Kamasu, as well as the N-Link conversion kit for the Seiko 5. Actually, the N-Link conversion kit I bought for the Seiko 5 only. This bracelet came off another Islander bracelet. They're all compatible. You just need the N-Link conversion kit if you already have a 20 millimeter bracelet from them. So very nice bracelet. We're just going to be ending the video with another wrist shot. So as you can see right here, the watch just looks a lot more premium. A lot of these affordable watches they cut the budget. They make it affordable by skimming on the bracelet. They either give you, you know, hollow end links or a press clasp, or, you know, hollow links instead of solid links. So these aftermarket bracelets really make the watch go feel much more premium. But, you know, like I said, a lot of these aftermarket bracelets, this is another Islander bracelet right here, do skim out a little bit on the clasp itself. And this being about like maybe $8 to $10 just makes your aftermarket bracelet, or your more affordable bracelet, if you have a bracelet like this, feel a lot more premium. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy my content, please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.